Be careful. He's gonna be super, he's gonna try to get out. Don't grab him too hard though.
Oh!
Can you take me higher?
Welcome. Oh my god, I just had a little fucking bite. Yeah, I swear I like saw the little one bit it right here. Yeah. Same. Oh my god. Where is she?
Oh my god!
That's a wild one. Hold on, we gotta get him back. Take a picture real quick. Of the colors. Hurry up. Didn't even take me that long. I knew there would be one right there. I'm pretty sure I just saw another one eat. Oh my god! Oh, look at this guy! Look at him! I think over. Knock it back. Hey, sit back. Press. Oh. Ow. Give me my shit back, fucker. Oh my god! Oh my god! That one was like 4 times the size of the other ones.
What the fuck is a bail?
That's
Okay.
let the line go out. Okay, and then make sure that doesn't come out. And then 1, 2, 3. Nice. Now this is the.
Literally
Either you can spin it and then it'll do the bail, or you gotta do the bail with your hand.
I see.
And then like this, you would hold it down so the lure stays in the water.
I can't see it.
I know.
Like, where even? Oh my gosh!
Oh my god! Oh my
Wait,
god!
babe,
Bring it over here! Bring it over here!
Document this!
It's on. Give me it!
Come on, Bubby.
Oh, nice.
That was so cool! Look where it's going.
See, like, you can, like, hold the bit.
I can't believe you can't see that. Bubby!
Shut up.
After you just yelled at me.
Yes!
Yay. You're too good at that.
Okay. Oh. What the fuck?
I feel like they all went down to the other spot.
No, they're all like Ricky, Carl, Lenny. There's fucking fishing up there, bro. I'm like, don't eat that shit. Oh my god. Let me get my... You get it?
Uh-huh.
Dude, look at that. Doesn't that look just like that big ass bait I have?
Yes. Literally the same. Oh my god.
That spot, look at him go. Oh my god, the clip is gonna be so sick.
It looks so good on this camera.
Yes. Hey, look at this spot.
It's a great spot.
Down like a rainbow, under a fucking reverse rainbow. All right, put your finger on it.
Okay. How was I doing? What was the other way?
Here, how do I do this?
What?
I'm gonna see if I can I like, okay, let's see if I, don't use your finger. I'm gonna do it, okay? Ready? Be loose. Like that.
Okay,
Now reel.
Okay.
Down. Reel. You see how you kind of like, you can use your whole body, arm kind of thing?
Oh, what is happening?
You got one!
What is happening?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh!
Babe, pull!
What do I do?
Oh my god! Dude, I was gonna say, okay, wait, we didn't get one first try. Dude, you got one bigger than me!
I want to touch it!
Wait. Get your hands wet.
Okay.
Dude, no way.
Oh my gosh, yay! You told me I would first time.
I told you,
did
huh?
that basically. Why could I not pick
Wow,
it up?
dude. Here, grab it, give me the rod, get your hands wet.
It is wet.
No, be careful. He's gonna try to get out. Don't grab him too hard though.
Oh!
Can you take me higher?
Oh! He's gone. Sorry, babe. He was strong.
I told you he's gonna slip out.
Why is he so strong? All right, your turn.
Damn, that was a big one.
I know he was huge.
Dude, I knew you were gonna get one. Get your hands, wash your hands. Nope. I already knew that wasn't gonna work.
Wait, why is it not getting out?
You didn't do the bail.
I just asked you if it was done. You said yes.
Ready? Yeah. Now you're ready.
Okay.
But still, that swing wouldn't have worked.
Yo, you're just fucking with me. Okay.
Come on,
Okay.
like you're cleaning something.
Okay, I'm cleaning something.
Nope.
Why do I suck right now?
Slowly reel. Forever we got the other one, so.
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh! Hey, little fishy. Look at my little.
Okay, don't reel so high. Don't reel so high.
Okay.
No. Let some line out. Dude.
Well, how do I grab them?
Okay, now get ready this time.
Okay. Thank
You want me to do it?
Yeah, go for it.
You already bored? Caught 2 fish and 2 casts. I better be able to catch one now.
So you put it under the armpit.
That one's really pretty. This one's really wild. Look at that.
Whoa. It's so like iridescent.
Dude, that guy bit so sick. Oh! Oh, he's stuck. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm on.
Nice. That was a good spot.
Oh my. I like watching them fight. Don't call me Mr. Fisherman for nothing.
Oh, so pretty.
And he's fine. Alright, you want to get in and cast?
Yeah.
Actually already split.
Of what?
Damn.
Oh, what kind of wood is that?
Looks fucking nice.
It looks sick. It really does look nice. Jack!
I don't know if I can get through this knot.
Oh.
I guess it kind of.
That's all the pieces we need, though.
Dude, these are pieces of shit. I'm just not gonna swing that hard.
Well, that's not nice.
What?
They're probably older than both of us combined.
I know, I'm just not gonna swing that hard.
Now you're just having fun.
Oh, big.
There you go.
Strong as fuck.
She is kind of heavy.
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Leave it.
This one's big. Yes! Yes! Dude, that was unfucking real.